You want to draw? Yeah.
Shall we get some charts and markers are there?
Mister. Last person. Yeah. Two people can hold if you want.
Okay, so this is a chart paper and we have summarized. We've not used the exact key terms that we learned but devised our own ways.
Make it fast, 2 minutes.
Yes, okay. So we started with ha 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 ha, and in the center we've written life, which stands for learning in full enjoyment. So we believe in enjoyment. Towards here, we found this empty plastic cup. So we put it upside down and I've written, I am not useless, I am useless, what we discussed today. Then 3 forms of water, ice and then vapor. And under that we've written adaptive learning, same teacher, different forms for different students. So that's a metaphor. Then these mango bites that we found, there's this toffee and there's the wrapper outside, which stands for, and there's this little quote that I wrote, the sweetness of knowledge is deep inside, crack open your shells and set it aside. So once we come out of our shells, the sweetness of knowledge is there inside us. Then there's a dialogue. Sir was telling that mathematics is the language.
Sir.
Mahatma was telling that
Dr.
the language of universe is mathematics. So the other person is saying, yet you need English to tell to the universe.
The entire conversation was in some language, so we need some medium.
So both the languages are equally important.
Yes.
Then we keep telling our students not to do masti, but now we'll tell
We do
masti, and masti stands for magical art of spiritual and technological innovation. And in the end, there's a
Quest
doodle.
for learning.
So there's quest for learning. Ask questions, learn. Thank you everyone.
Take a picture and send it to me.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So here, kindly pay attention.
Yes, please. Please.
Yes.
So here we are going to show again as a facilitator as a Krishna and a student as a Arjun. So for our in our class now we are being going to think that Arjun is sitting in front of us and we are being about to answer their questions. Because the quest is keep on rising among. And if keep on asking their questions, we are about to answer it as a facilitator, not as a teacher. So it could be like in the form of different strategies, like we need to read between the lines, words, what they're supposed to talk about. We need to be adaptive even. We need to be visualize the things the way they people about to think and the way about to act. And then we respond to every query. Instead of not answering to their query is not the right way. We need to be respond each and every query. Knowledge must be beyond our boundaries. We need to be update ourselves so that we should know more than our Arjuns. Then we must be know then more than our Arjuns. We have even we learned so many pedagogies today, like micro teaching, peer learning, experiential learning, as well as teaching it with powerful points instead of PowerPoints. Yes. That's the most important innovative thing that we have actually got it today. And
we will link our teaching plans according to
according to it,
five elements.
exactly, audio-visual aid, diagrammatic, mind maps, graphic, which we are already using, but with a powerful within points the right time now. as well. Yes. Now it will be converted into a Shiksha house instead of a school.
And most importantly, we will be grandmothers to our
We
kids
are
now.
grandparents to be a
Not the teachers. no
All
more
grandparents should make. Very simple. Fold it. Tie it. The center part is here. The lower.
What we've learned in the past 2 days, and it shows the classroom wherein the child is at the center of their learning. They are taking charge in a digital classroom wherein they have the tools that Sir shared with us. For example, Word Hippo, then Google 3D Animals. Then it also incorporates AI into the classrooms, and then to use that AI we have prompt engineering that we will be guiding the students for the same. Then moving on to the next, as Sir shared certain games with us and techniques with us, the children are collaborating with each other and learning with the help of each other.
And the one point which we learned in today's class, that the most important things are at the topmost corner. So we have put all the pointers there, that quest for knowledge, peer learning, adaptive learning, discovery method, and known to unknown that we learned in these 2 days. Moreover, how the child learns. So there's a pie chart showing it. 1/4 of the knowledge is given by the teacher, then 1/4 by the student on its own, 1/4 to the classmate, and 1/4 with the time across. Then there are 6 qualities of learner today, that Udyam, Sahasam, Dhairyam, Buddhi, and Shakti and Parakram, that we were discussing in the morning only. Planning, jumping to action, creating, logical and skill, and then cutting across the obstacles. So this is what I learned.
We also mentioned life, which is learning in full enjoyment.
And then there's this window for the student to peek outside, realize the 5 senses, using 5 senses, look at the real world. And teacher is at the back and it's facilitating the children to construct their own knowledge.
Good.
I have made this man a guru who is pretty much aware about his own body and his own conscience, and he knows that what are all the 5 elements within him. So he knows that he has a Brahman in his own self, and there is a child who look at this guru or a teacher, and due to him a quest is developed within him which helps him to seek more and more questions, and he is the one asking several questions to the person and leading to various areas and arenas of life where he can educate himself, where he can think, leading to various subjects, be it physics, chemistry, biology, psychology, and then this child will have faith and have a surrender which will lead him to live life in fullest enjoyment and have experiential life.
That was what makes us different from other animals is the knowledge. They can do, listen, hear, and even see better than us. So it is only the sense of knowledge and the enlightenment that we have within ourselves that make us different from other animals.
Here we have the Acharya from far away from Kerala, who is going to enlighten us, and he enlightened us with the various activities. Yes, he spread the knowledge all around. So let's discuss about what is our take back. Here we have used 5 senses, the elements of 5 elements: the earth, the water, then the air, and the Akash,
and the sun representing fire.
And one more thing, never miss an opportunity, never miss a bus. But if you miss a bus, there are chances that you may get a train. That is the better opportunity. But for that, you need to have that 6 qualities, which are that Udyam, Sahasam, Dhairyam, Buddhi, Shakti, and Parakram. And what I am? I am not useless, I am useless. And here we have the heart also.
Learn.
Learn by heart.
Yeah. I was only joking, that's fine.
Namaskaram.
First. 1 minute.
1 minute. हमारी जो कहानी का पात्र है उसका नाम है मनस, जो कह रहा है
Je suis utilisé moi means I am useless.
उसके बाद जो उसकी कहानी शुरू होती है कि मैं अगर यूजलेस हूँ तो उसके मन में एक सवाल शुरू होते हैं कि मैं क्यों हूँ। तो वो प्रश्न पूछना शुरू करता है लोगों से कि कार्यद्री वस्ते लक्ष्य में कर्मध्य सरस्वते, कि मेरा जो कर्म है, कर्म के प्रति ही आपको सजग होना होगा। जो माधव ने कहा था अर्जुन को कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते, कि आप अपने कर्म के प्रति सजग रहो तो आप जीवन में हर चीज को हासिल कर लोगे। उसके बाद उसने शुरू किया कि अकेले से तो कर्म होगा नहीं, मुझे यूनिटी को लेकर साथ चलना पड़ेगा, जिस चक्कर में उसने पीयर ग्रुप एजुकेशन शुरू किया। जब वो पीयर लर्निंग के पास गया तो उसने फिर जब वो लोगों से मिला, कोर ऑफ क्वालिटी जो हुआ, तो उसने यहाँ से शुरू किया प्लानिंग। पहले मैं प्लानिंग करूँ चीजों के लिए, फिर इम्प्लीमेंशन, करेज, थिंक लॉजिकल, स्किल, और फिर लास्ट में वो अपनी एंडिंग अवस्था पे पहुंचा पराक्रम तक। यहाँ तक आने के बाद जब वो इन सबसे मिला, एक सोसाइटी में आने के बाद बच्चा मल्टीलिंग्विज्म बनता है, बहुभाषिक, हर तरह के बच्चे मिलते हैं उसको। जब ये मिलता है तो फिर वो सोशल होता है, बीइंग ह्यूमन और बीइंग सोशल। जब वो सामाजिक प्राणी हो गया तो आज का जो बच्चा है वो टाइनी टॉट नहीं है, टैक टॉट है, तो वो डिजिटल कम्युनिकेटिव हो गया है। डिजिटल कम्युनिकेटिव के बाद उसने अपनी जर्नी जहां से शुरू की थी, उसने देखा जर्नी ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ को इन्वेस्ट कहाँ किया है। और ये जो ब्लू सिंबल है ये अच्छाई का प्रतीक है। इसके अंदर के जो लाइट कलर होते हैं, जैसे मैम ने बताया था कि आप रेड पहनते हो तो आपको गर्मी ज्यादा लगती है, पर आप लाइट कलर पहनोगे तो कम। तो ब्लू कलर इसका सिंबल है, अच्छाई का प्रतीक। और जब उसने ये 5 एलिमेंट्स को अपने जीवन में अपनाया तो उसने जीवन में विक्ट्री हासिल की। ऑलवेज लर्न बाय हार्ट, दिल से सीखना चाहिए।
Namaskaram.
Fast, 1 minute.
This is basically the mind of student, okay? And we have explained how we need to deal with the student, starting from the first point, from the small bottle. It's learn each and every word. For that, we should be encouraging students to ask what, why, how, and when. And then the important thing, instead of telling what not to do, we should tell students what is to be done. Apart from that, for as a teacher, the same 5 things which were there, Udyam, Sahas, Dhairya, Buddhi, Shakti, Paramam. Apart from that, we should be focusing on what we are saying. We must practice. The second thing is learn beyond books before teaching, because as ma'am says, an empty vessel cannot fill. Apart from that,
bottle चाहिए।
Okay, then the important point is whatever we are doing, we must visualize. If you are not visualizing, it's zero. Okay. Next thing is what makes us different from other animals. The thing is we have the ability to document and we must share knowledge. That is our main part.
And on the basis of that, peer learning is very important in the classrooms, and Brain is depicting that when we share the knowledge, it multiplies. So
And
that's
sharing should be kept in mind such a way that sir used a lot of shlokas, Sanskrit words and all. So what we are doing, we are getting away from those. So the main thing is our knowledge should be there, but it should be deep rooted to our culture, so that we as India is connected to our history. And that is what mentioned in that adaptive learning thing. So that was. So at last I would like to say, grow like a tree and fall like a river.
Our presentation is an amalgamation of tradition and modernity, that how we have to embrace adaptive learning. So we have chosen 5 celestial objects, that is Venus representing physical, Moon representing emotional quality, Jupiter intellect, and Earth representing the presence of mind. And definitely everything is a fail because human being is a social animal. Okay, so social quality is represented by Mercury. So what happened when these things combine together? They just create a spiritual path. If we consider teaching as, because all the presentations were more about the students, I feel for us as teachers, if we just regard teaching as a spiritual process, a spiritual path, and we have all these qualities in us, in that case we will be becoming better, or we can say the best teacher. There is no stopping, and we will keep on growing, and we can give best to our students.
So we are showing here a child. A child is basically a human being, and what makes a human being different from other animals is the knowledge. And how we can unlock knowledge is by learning. Learning is imaginative, collaborative, and experiential. And ways of learning are compare, criticize, judge, analyze, and then compare. After that learning process, he started questioning the things, and if he is questioning the things, he will learn more and more. After achieving the learning, he will grow like a tree, and in a process to grow like a tree, he needs spiritual growth, social development, sharp intellectually, balanced emotionally, and develop physically. So we should learn more and more, and there is every scope in everything to learn each and everything.
And in order to motivate them, we should keep on telling that tomorrow you'll be a good child.
Yeah. For you also.
If the class was interesting and you got some input. It's not because of me. It was all good.
Thank you so much, sir. I think we've learned a lot, and I think we all have reflected that we may be thinking that I know this much or I know that much, but within a span of these 2 days, we realized we ought to learn much more than what we already know. Especially, you know, a child's mind, how it must be thinking, how we are, pouring stuff which may not be that much relatable. So he's given us a lot of time to ponder about and to explore. He's shared so many good websites. Of course, we have Dr. 3PS, links that we can explore. He's given us 20, we can explore 100, and maybe build up something on that, and then, get back to him that this is what we have done now. We must do it. So unless we implement it, unless we take an action, it goes waste. So the essence of the entire 2 days of this workshop was to take a lot of things from him and then put it into action, put in our brains, put in our soul, put in our essence, put in our touch, and give it back to our students and share with him also. But this is what we've done. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for the nice comment which you have sent. Today she has sent a beautiful, one line. But that makes a lot of, because the credit in life is not what is spent. What is your credit which you get? And that's some moments, some words that have got a lot of value. But there is no thing which is heavier and lighter than the words which somebody spreads.
Yes. And especially if it comes from the heart.
Yes.
Without using ChatGPT.
You can use ChatGPT for grammar correction, mistakes, and everything. But idea is yours. That's good.
Yes. Idea must be yours. I think all of us have a lot to learn.
Yeah.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Huge thanks to Dr. Sasi Kumar.
You all did a great job.
Oh wow.
So creative, right? You have it. Very good.
Ignited that spark and
yes.
Okay. Let me of no use to you in your life very good.
I think we are all useful, worthy, creative Kayatians, and this new learning will definitely help us become people. We may have been losing, that we say that we need to sharpen our edge. And somewhere we were getting blunt, somewhere we were getting rusted. I think this sharpening will go a long way. Honestly, a long way. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hold for 5 minutes.
When not worried, because I have got my paper and pen with me.
Journaling. I got you so similar.
And this is what I do. All this, I keep writing so many things, which probably for years I keep. Some slokas which I note from somewhere. If I have to learn by heart, learn by heart. In each and every corner I will have so many notes like this. So it's not one day effort. Right? Take note.
Make notes.
Make notes.
Thank
And
you.
then revisit the notes.
Have you had a group picture?
No.
Maybe just quickly have a group picture.
That's easy.
Now nobody needs 2 rows. Please take single row here and single row here. Real quick. The tallest one's there. The next. आपके पीछे अब थोड़ा सा इधर हो गया. You come between Puneet sir. थोड़ा सा इधर हो गया. Puneet sir cover हो गया. Where is your line? ज्योति और आप दोनों किस line में? Choose your line. No, there's no one line. I want one of you, Shagufta.
C.
Yeah.
Let him not see. Let you see.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Mahatma, please show it to us also.